Hello viewers, I am Marco and I welcome you all to my YouTube channel. Today in this video I will share with you unboxing and installation guide of Bosch Aquatak 100 water pressure washer for washing your car and bike at home. Here comes the main box of water pressure washer from Bosch, and here comes the bill. You can see the bill amount is 4766 only, and I have purchased it from Flipkart. So 4766, this is the price of this water pressure washer. Please watch the video till the end, and if you like the video, please share the video, put your comment in the comment box below, and tap the bell icon to be notified regarding my latest updates, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Here are some pictographic information on how to assemble this water pressure and how to use this. We are getting user manual. Written on it is Easy Aquatak 100, and few more languages are available to read. And after this user manual we are getting one white colored box or white colored container. So what purpose this container is used for we will discuss later, but here are few indicators of measurement like 100, 200 and 300. So we will know what is the use of this container. After that there is one packet, and inside packet we can see few more components of this water pressure washer. Here comes one cap fitted with small pipe. After that we are getting one hanger type thing, and after that one filter type thing, and at last we are getting one red colored cap. So this is also the main hose. It has some spring to open, rotate anti-clockwise, and to tighten, rotate clockwise. That's it. And these are the four components that comes with this water pressure washer. And now comes the main water pressure washer gun. So this gun is adjustable. This gun has locking facility, like by pushing the switch you can lock and unlock this gun or the trigger of this gun. And this gun is adjustable vertically. At the same time it can be adjusted clockwise and anti-clockwise at 360-degree angle of rotation. And the logo of Bosch is written on the gun. So I must say this is a beautifully designed gun, and it acts as a switch also. And now it's time to check the plug and the wire. So you can see this is a thicker plug, so it's a 16 ampere plug. It's not a normal one. You can see it's a 16 ampere plug. Let's have a close look. We generally see this kind of plug in fridge. Now remove the main unit from the box. Its color is olive green and the logo of Bosch is there, along with the on off switch. In its back side there is some statutory warnings and main hose inlet nozzle, and at the bottom there we get the high pressure washer hose pipes. The hose pipe is wrapped with plastic. First let us remove the plastic from the hose pipe. So by default the plastic's length is 3 meter. You have the option to upgrade it to 6 meter. Now we will place all the components of this pressure washer, and I will demonstrate you. Now start the installation of this Bosch Aquatak 100 water pressure. So you can see this is the water jet gun. This is the main water nozzle. This is foam container which can contain about 450 ml of foam. This is foam container lid with pipe. This is foam container hanger. This is filter. This is 3 meter water jet hose. This is the main unit, and here it is the power cord, and this is the on off button. Here it is written 0 means it is off. Turn it towards 1, it means it is on. When you need to switch off the main device, just turn it back to 0, then it is off. Now I will show you how to connect the all accessories and make this device function properly. So for that, first we need to connect the foam container. So we will be putting this foam container hanger on the neck of this bottle like this. After that, we will put this cap on top of the bottle. You can see it is fit now. It has some purpose, so I will show the purpose later. This is the water jet. This is the water filter, so it will fit directly here in this hole. After that, we need to connect half-inch diameter pipe into this main water supply nozzle. So insert this cap into the pipe, then put the pipe and then just close the lid like this. Once the pipe is connected, simply press it, it will be locked here. So this portion is done. Your main water will come from this hole. You need to switch off and on the machine from this hole. Power the machine by attaching it to the socket. And for your information, it is 16 ampere socket, so it will not work in normal 5 ampere or 10 ampere socket. So now turn the machine backward because the function is in backward. So here you can see the place, clip place. Here you need to put this foam container like this when it is not used. This is the water nozzle hose. So you can see it has got similar two ends, so you can connect either end to either on the machine or with the jet gun. Connect it like this. When you need to pull it off, simply press this red button upward and remove it. Once again, it's closed now. Now you need to attach this hose with this gun. So here you can see the hole. When you need to push it, it will get locked. When you need to unlock it, simply push it backward and pull the cord. It is locked. Unlocked. Locked. So till now the setup is complete. So when you need to use it, like push this, your compressor will switch on and water will come from this face. Release it, the main unit will turn off. You can rotate it 360 degree like this or 180 degree like this. And you can control the force of the water that comes out from this face by turning it clockwise and anti-clockwise. So this is the installation process of Bosch Aquatak Easy 100 series water washer machine. And one more thing, when you need to wash your bike or wash your car with foam, simply connect this container with this gap like this. and it is connected. When you need to remove it, just push it backward and place it here and use it normally like this. So I hope you have already understood how to attach all the accessories of this pressure washer. Thank you. Let's go.